In this video, let us see LPP and its formulation. What is LPP? LPP is a linear programming problem, is one that is concerned with finding the optimal value, that is maximum or minimum value of a linear function, which is often called as objective function of several variables subject to the conditions that the variables are non-negative. Mathematical formulation of LPP. So formulation of an LPP refers to translating the real world problem into the form of mathematical equations which could be solved. Now let us discuss steps towards formulating a linear programming problem. Our first step is identify the n number of decision variables which govern the objective function. The step 2 is identify the set of constraints on the decision variables and express them in the form of linear equations. Next, express the objective function in the form of a linear equation in the decision variables. And finally, optimize the objective function either graphically or mathematically. Now let us see one example problem of the mathematical formulation. The problem is, a firm makes two types of furniture, namely chair and tables. The contribution for each product as calculated by the accounting department is Rs 20 per chair and Rs 30 per table. Both products are processed on three machines, M1, M2 and M3. The time required by each product and total available per week on each machine are as follows. Machines M1, M2, M3. Chair, table and availability per week is given 336, 5250, 2660. How should the manufacturer schedule his production in order to maximize contribution? So let us see the solution for this problem. Let x is equal to the number of chairs and y is equal to the number of tables manufactured in the firm. Since we have to maximize the profit, the objective function will be maximum of z is equal to 20x plus 30y. Because your 20 is the accounting department has calculated as Rs 20 per chair and 30 per table. So the contribution for each product is 20 for chair and 30 per table. So therefore our objective function takes the value 20x plus 35. Next, going to the constraints are given by the availability per week. So here in the question itself we got for the machine M1, the availability is 36 for 3 chairs and 3 tables. So our first constraints will be 3x plus 3y less than or equal to 36. Similarly, for the machine M2, the availability is 50 for 5 chairs and 2 tables. So therefore, the second constraint will be 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 50. And finally, for machine M3, the availability per week is 60 for 2 chairs and 6 tables. So therefore, the final constraint is given by 2x plus 6y is less than or equal to 60 for all your x comma y greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, our LPP is given by maximize z is equal to 20x plus 30y, that is our objective function, subject to the constraints 3x plus 3y less than or equal to 36, 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 50 and 2x plus 6y less than or equal to 60 for every x comma y greater than or equal to 0. So this LPP can be solved by graphical method, which will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.